Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the powerful AI graphic tool, how to use Runway AI. So you can go directly to the runwayml.com in your browser. So this is the Runway homepage. Gen 3 Alpha available now. This is the new feature, new frontier for high fidelity controllable video generation. So the Runway AI is the AI tools to create or generate a graphic here, a video. Let's try Gen 3 Alpha here. So introducing Gen 3 Alpha, fast and controllable next generation text to video. So you can tap on more details or just directly get started. You can tap it. So you have to upgrade to try here. Maybe you want to make a plan or make a subscription into this app or the AI. Feel free, but try it later. So you can tap to upload image here. Select from assets. So you can choose your image from your gallery. So this is the optional. Describe your shoot. Use camera control or motion blur for more precision. So I think I want to describe all old but gold PC games. Done, and then generate in your video is queued. You have to wait. Your video is generating and will be done in a few minutes. So as you can see, this image become 3D. So before that, the image just a flat, and now with this Runway, this image become video 3D. So like this is very useful if you are try to search AI with marketing tools. So please free to try, use this AI Runway. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also button below. See you in the next video.